We are at GTS 2025, and with us we have Indrani Bakshi. She's the CEO of Ananta Center. At Ananta Center, you deal with a lot of collaboration, a lot of talks, dialogues. How do you look at the trust initiative?
I think it's very important because, frankly, quite apart from the acronym trust, I think India and the US have been trusted partners and have demonstrated trust as partners over the past, I'd say, the past 25 years. It's been a gradual process, but I think we have built trust between the two countries in a way that contradicts our history. We have a history that wasn't a history of trust. We've walked against our history and we've created trust between the two countries. As for the trust initiative, that it is another version of what used to be the ISET, and this is in strategic technologies. It is a natural fit for India and the US to be collaborating, to be cooperating in strategic technologies, both in the use and the operations, as well as in the development. I think where both sides are still coming from is, we all have a little bit of history left behind. We have certain concerns. The Americans have certain concerns about where how we use technology. We have certain concerns about their reliability. Those concerns have been dissipating over the years. Little bits and pieces will remain. So we just have to work around it. The tariffs are on a 90-day pause. The tariffs will be implemented, and we will all face. There will be disruption. There is already disruption. How do we deal with the disruption? We have offered a bilateral trade agreement as part of the last joint statement between the two leaders. We, I think, are in the middle of negotiating that agreement. We hope to be done with that agreement by the end of this year.
If we have to kind of especially discuss around these tariffs and come to a common ground, India also needs to kind of perform and revamp its
Yes.
game.
Absolutely, 100%. We also have to think of ourselves differently. Our industry has to think differently. Our industry has to work differently. We need to have greater innovation. We need to be more competitive. We need to be able to play in a much bigger pond. And that is, I think, a challenge for Indian industry. It is a challenge for also for the regulatory authorities in the government, which is to have regulations that make it easier for Indians to compete.
So basically, the Trump tariffs, we should look at it as an opportunity in
Indeed,
crisis.
I would look at it as an opportunity, that this is something that we have an opportunity to clean up our own systems. Our government needs to clean up, and a government should not put it only on the private sector. The private sector needs to clean up too. They've had a pretty protected existence.